Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my top 5 concealers. अब इन concealers में ना affordable concealer भी मैंने डाले हैं और एक दो concealers हैं जो कि थोड़े से like 2500 से 3000 की रेंज में आते हैं, बट उनकी जो क्वांटिटी आती है, जो क्वालिटी आती है, इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. मैंने इंडिया में काफी सर्च किया किस तरीके के कंसीलर्स हमें लेने चाहिए विच आर इजीली अवेलेबल एंड विच यू कैन यूज in your bridal makeup vanity, in the festive season, and for your everyday wear as well. So without a further delay, let's get started. Now these are in no particular order. ये बस मेरे top 5 concealers हैं. चलो सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं NYX Bare With Me concealer. I completely love this one for the thinner consistency, easy to apply, comes with a pump, no wastage at all. You can take it on the back of your hand and just apply it. I particularly have this in sand color. I like to do my color correction with this one and then I just apply my other concealer with it. Or you can take two of these, just take it in the color correcting shade and the highlighting shade and you will be sorted. I'm telling you, this gives you sheer to medium coverage, hydrating, not so drying. But अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी dryness feel होती है, then you can top it up with the second favorite concealer of mine and that is K by Katrina. So I like to pair these concealers. सबसे पहले मैं NYX use करती हूँ and then I like to use my K Beauty concealer क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा hydrating है NYX Bare With Me concealer से. So these are my top 2 favorite concealers. अब इसका ना मैंने pump actually खो दिया है तो इसे मैं इस तरीके से निकालती हूँ. बट अगर मैं आपको दोनों की कंसिस्टेंसी दिखाऊं तो ये NYX concealer है मेरा और अगर K Beauty दिखाऊं ना तो K Beauty जो है it is little bit more creamy. So I personally like the K Beauty concealer for the creamy effect. So the reason behind keeping two concealers of such consistency is even if you are working with them in winters or summers, you will always have one semi-matte concealer and one with very creamy consistency. So you can handle the under eye dryness and your oiliness or sweat around the ear, and that's how you can manage your concealers. Okay, now when we come to the sheer coverage concealer, the next and the most favorite concealer is NARS Radiant Wear Concealer. NARS Radiant Wear is one of the perfect concealer for color correction. I feel बहुत ही पतली सी लेयर आती है, कलर करेक्शन इससे मेरी हो जाती है. You can use it for all ages. If you're young, if you are middle age, if you are mature, this will work on everybody. And I particularly like to pair this one up with a little bit more hydrating concealer or a little bit more medium to full coverage concealer. This is sheer to medium coverage concealer. So that's how I like to pair my concealers. If I am in a mood of no makeup look or very natural look, then I will pair just two of the NARS concealers or I can pair this one with the NYX Bare With Me concealer. You might have seen me using both of these together. So I like to use that for my color correction and then I use a lighter color of this one for topping it up with the lighter color concealer. Sometimes when you are done with your makeup and you feel like, before powdering your makeup, you feel like your eyes are going little dark, under eyes specifically, then in that case, I like to use a lighter color of this one because this will add very little layer of concealer on my face and will not cake up my under eyes as well. So this is the concealer I would say you should keep one in your vanity. Now it can be a hydrating concealer as well. Okay, now if you're somebody who needs more coverage under the eyes, then you can take it in the color correcting shade or you can skip it as well because there are many other color correcting concealers available in Indian market. And for that matter, LA Girl comes into the picture and K by Katrina also has color correcting shades. So you can buy these. I particularly am not a fan of LA Girl concealers and that's why I'm not adding it into the list. I'm just giving it to you as a color correcting option because I personally feel that LA Girl color correctors are very versatile, easy to apply, but you are not able to find a particular orange in this. And I also feel this looks very drying. This becomes drying after applying. So I'm not really fan of a consistency of this concealer. Otherwise, if you are a beginner in makeup, और पहले होता था कि इंडिया में कलर करेक्टर्स इतने अच्छे अवेलेबल नहीं थे, सिर्फ क्रीम कलर करेक्टर्स आते थे, तब हम LA गर्ल करेक्टर्स लेते थे. I think now we have a lot of options in India and we can totally skip the illegal concealer. Now, we have talked about the sheer coverage concealer, we have talked about the color correcting concealer and the creamy concealer, the hydrating concealer in two ranges. Now, when we want to talk about the full coverage concealer, I have one of the most amazing option which comes in color correcting shades as well and highlighting concealing shades as well, which is full coverage, hydrating and is easy to apply. This is Huda Beauty 4 Filter Concealer. I completely love this one. पहले मुझे इसका ये लगता था कि it's tough to use, but somebody who knows how to use a concealer, you can definitely set this one. In fact, I have seen people taking very little amount of it and then just applying with the finger. It works in that case as well. So if you are somebody who doesn't have that much of pigmentation and wants to buy just one concealer for your vanity, just for everyday makeups and very natural makeups, not too many glam makeups, then you can definitely invest in this one. Also, if you're a person who likes to do a lot of glam makeups, party makeups, you can buy this concealer. Now, I won't ask you to buy color correcting of this one as well, then highlighting of this one as well, and your skin shade of this one as well, because this is very thicker concealer, right? I don't want you to pile up such a thick concealer on top of each other because that can cake up as well. If you are good with makeup, then it's fine. If you are not, it can collect into the fine lines as well. Use something, like NYX Bare With Me concealer. I like to pair that one for my color correction or NARS one for my color correction, and then I will use it in my shade. The shade I have over here is Graham Cracker. This is almost my shade, and one shade lighter of this can also be my shade if you're looking to know what my shade is. But this is beautiful, can be used for everyday and for party makeups as well. Now, when we talk about little bit of cons of this product, I particularly feel that there is a little bit of some sort of smell in this concealer which used to irritate me, but that has been overpowered by the quality of this concealer. And I've also heard that Huda has changed the packaging of this concealer, which is amazing. So this can be your go-to concealer. This can be your one concealer that you would like to invest in this wedding and festive season. Okay, try this, you'll like it. Now, the last concealer that I would like you to invest in, which will work in all sorts of weather, available in all shades, color correcting shades as well, not particularly the orange ones or peach ones, but with the dark theory, the brown theory. If you haven't heard of, then I have already made a video on that. You can go and check out that video. I'll put the link in the description as well about the color correctors, and you'll get full information over there. Okay, so my favorite concealer is Too Faced concealers, available in India everywhere on Nykaa. They also had stores. I don't know, I have heard that one of their store has been shut in Delhi, but easily available on all platforms. Everybody's favorite. शेयर टू मीडियम बिल्डेबल कवरेज. इनफैक्ट इसे फुल कवरेज तक भी आप ले जा सकते हो अगर कलर करेक्टर के साथ इसे यूज करोगे, इसी के कलर करेक्टर के साथ इसे यूज करोगे, देन यू कैन टेक इट टू फुल कवरेज एज वेल. नाउ what I feel is this is a concealer. अगर आपको ऑयली स्किन है, राइट, आपको लगेगा कि ये ज्यादा हाइड्रेटिंग है, I should not use it. I would ask you to powder your under eyes more if you are about to use this concealer, if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, then तो कोई परेशानी नहीं है. If you have combination skin, then it's not gonna be a problem. I'll check about the sensitivity as well. So that is the scenario with Too Faced concealers. Very versatile concealers. I would also like to give you one last option. Those were 5 concealers that I wanted to talk about, but just in case if there is somebody over here जिसको काफी ऑयली स्किन है, कॉलेज गोइंग हो या काफी ऑयली स्किन है और काफी स्वेट आता है, then you can take one of these in color correcting shade and then top it up with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the concealer which is not going to move. This can look cakey, so make sure you apply it in very little quantity. I always recommend you guys कि product हमेशा पहले थोड़ा लगाया करो, back of the hand लिया करो, and then if you feel like थोड़े और की जरूरत है तब उसे build किया करो धीरे धीरे, right? So this is the concealer that you can buy if you have oily skin. Now, अब आप पूछोगे नेहा ये वाला कंसीलर वो वाला कंसीलर, नेहा ने ऑलरेडी 20 कंसीलर्स की वीडियो डाली हुई है अपने चैनल पे, तो वो भी मैं नीचे टैग कर दूंगी। अगर आपका फेवरेट कंसीलर उसमें है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं है और अगर आप किसी कंसीलर के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो नीचे कमेंट कर देना। गिव अवे का क्वेश्चन आज का है कि ऐसा कौन सा कंसीलर है जिसका शेड मेरे पास ग्राहम क्रैकर में है। ओके, सो this was it for today. These were my favorite concealers, and if you want to know how I did this look, then let me know in the comments. I'll share that video with you as well. और हाँ, keep on participating in the giveaway. It's such a good giveaway. Description सारी details में है। फिर मिलती हूँ आपसे in next video. Bye.